Now we understand the instruction, it's important to look at the rest of the question, and we can do that in the Open Concepts area. Click on Open Concepts here or here and you'll be taken to this window. Open concepts are things you want to explore and define as you develop your content. Aside from any instruction verbs, if there are any, or question words, look at each word and phrase in the question, and if you think it's open to interpretation or it can be defined in different ways, then click it to add it to the Open Concepts list. So that's what I'm going to do now. Edgar Allan Poe has been referred to as the father of modern science fiction. Discuss. I think referred to is an open concept because I can ask, what do we mean by referred to? Has someone said this? Is there evidence? Where is this reference? Father. You can see as I select concepts, they appear on the right hand side. I can bin them, reselect them. I can click them to deselect as well. And I can drag across a phrase like father of. Modern, what do you mean by modern? Modern could be the last 6 months, it could be the last 100 years. Finally, I think science fiction warrants some investigation or definition. By looking at this question then, we've identified 4 open concepts. Edgar Allan Poe could be an open concept, and now you can see we have 5 open concepts in this list. And there are now 2 things we can do. We can either add to structure or we can export to visual map. When you click export to visual map, a file is downloaded for you, which could be a .mm mind map format, and we also integrate with other popular mind mapping products or visual mapping products. You can then go and use those tools to explore these open concepts. I won't show that in this video, but I will show you the Add to Structure button. When you click Add to Structure, these open concepts are taken and moved into the next stage in the Writing Helper process. So I'm going to click Add to Structure, and you can see here we have our 6-section empty structure, section 1, section 2, through to section 6. I'll talk more about the structure stage in another video, but you can also see here that 5 tasks have been added to your structure, each of which refers to one of your open concepts, saying define or explore the open concept of, referred to, father of, and so on. To recap the question stage in full, we've taken time here to look at the question we're being asked, to really consider the way it's been worded and understand how we're going to answer that question. It is very easy to skip this stage and not give it enough consideration, but if you do really take the time to understand the question and your approach to answering it, it will make the rest of the project a lot easier for you.